This was a project in Midtown, and we won 2 awards. One was called the Atlanta Remodeling Award for Historic Renovation.
And the winner is Dex and More Incorporated.
And we're also fortunate enough to win a National Deck Award from North American Deck Rail Association for closed porch. It was just an open air deck. It had some nice Chippendale rails. You can see some of the custom corbel brackets. And they really wanted to enhance the space. The client's goals, they wanted a nice entertaining space, upper level, lower level. They wanted to have a roof on it. They wanted to entertain almost all year long. We came up with a good plan, and together we designed something that best suited their needs. Normally, when we use some engineered beams, you only need 1 corner post at each end. On this one here, we put 3 to kind of match what they had before, but it just gives it more depth, more appeal, and definitely more aesthetically pleasing. The challenge is the height. The first level is 15 feet off the ground. And secondly, we got a hip roof. We're integrating it with the old roof. It's got the Boise Cascade engineered beams. Underneath the floor frame is an engineered beam. It's a laminated veneer lumber. It is treated, and it's rated for outdoor use. It's 500 to 700 pounds total when it's installed. You'll see the custom corbel brackets, which we took a block of wood, and we had a custom mill on site to match what they had. We did 3 rails with that Chippendale rail pattern to kind of continue what she had before. Don't underestimate the lighting. The low voltage lighting, the recessed lighting, the landscape lighting, it's huge. You have the lower level with the flagstone, and then you have the mid-level, which is that acid stained concrete. You got the upper level porch. It's beautiful, it's breathtaking, it really blends in with the house. And we're really, really proud of that. The good thing about this job, our client, the Griffins, she really knew what she wanted. And I just helped her and guided her. You need to sit down and get it through design. With our designs, you really know, what am I getting for the floor? What am I getting for the columns? What am I getting for the roof line? Thank you to my client for engaging with us. I'm nothing without my team. We have skilled craftsmen that truly can deliver what you're looking for. The carpenters, the electricians, the painters, the gutter guy, supply houses, masons. We have at least 6 different trades involved in this. And without everybody coming together and working as a team, we can't deliver these amazing projects.